Ignoring snoring. Snoring is a loud and funny noise. People make this sound when they sleep. It happens because air cannot move easily through the nose or throat. Many people snore at night, and it is common. However, it can be very annoying for husbands or wives. If your partner snores, it is hard to sleep well. You might feel very tired in the morning. How can you ignore this noise? First, you can buy soft earplugs. They help block the sound. You can also ask the person to turn over and sleep on their side. This often stops the snoring. If the noise is still too loud, you can go to a different bedroom. Ignoring snoring is difficult, but good sleep is important for your health.